Let's get to our global roundup of the equity markets now, and we're starting off right here in the UK with Stuart Jackson, CFD trader at JM Financial. Stuart, thanks for coming along today. Looking at the FTSE 100, we seem to have been struggling for direction really this week, just edging a little bit higher today. I know specifically you've been looking at Vodafone. What do you see going on with Vodafone at the moment? Yeah,
interesting. You're right, we have lacked direction all week, and I think on that basis a lot of investors now are beginning to think about some of our clients to reallocating their portfolios, perhaps moving towards stocks like Vodafone. Pre-market today, price target upgraded to 160 Bank of America, indication how bullish some of the other brokers are right now about the stock. And I think it's a good time as well for them to indicate that they're likely to be releasing this new 360 software on limited phone handsets, but pre-Christmas, which I think could really help them with their revenues.
Okay, an important time of year for them, I'm sure.
Yeah.
We also do like to pay attention to what's going on in the resources sector, because it's such a big part, such a big weighting on the FTSE 100
yeah.
for a start. How do you think that those particular stocks have been performing this week?
Well, it's been a real divergence today, with a bit of a split. Rio Verdante slipping away slightly, but then even with oil passing down towards that 66 level a barrel and perhaps dipping below 65 on the day, as the futures are indicating, we've got Billiton actually leading one of the biggest gainers. I think the real bottom line here is, though, that with some quite tight ranges I've been observing, that volumes haven't necessarily been that restrictive. People are still quite keen on them, cautiously optimistic perhaps.
Okay, thanks very much for coming to speak to us. We need to get on to the other European markets now. Stuart Jackson there talking on the FTSE 100 from JM Financial. Let's get down to